Well. My PC monitor started taking longer and longer to turn on each day. It would keep flickering until it finally powered up. I should have fixed it at the very first sign, but you know what they say? The shoemaker's children go barefoot. Everything pointed to a capacitor issue, so I opened the monitor to check the board and replace the capacitors. As you can see, I swapped one out, but then I realized it was pointless. The problem had to be with the power supply, which in this case happens to be external. So I ran some tests using my adjustable power supply, set it to 19 volts, and it worked perfectly. Then I opened the power supply itself and spotted a bulging 680 microfarad capacitor. I replaced it and voila, it's working again. Anyway, I hope this little tip comes in handy. See you around.